In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to call from GoHighlevel. We're keeping this simple and practical so you can get on the phone fast. Even if you don't have a number connected yet, I'll show you exactly where calling lives in your account and how to choose the right option to get set up. Once you're signed in, look to the main navigation and head to the voice calling section. Depending on your workspace, it may be labeled voice calling or phone, and it usually has a small phone icon. Click that to open the calling area. If you don't see it, you may need the right permissions or a plan that includes calling, so check with your workspace admin if it's missing. Inside voice calling, GoHighlevel will prompt you to pick how you want to place calls. You'll see two clear choices: use your existing phone number or buy a phone number. Here's what each one means so you can decide confidently. Use your existing number if you already have a business line you want to keep. This option is great for maintaining brand consistency and recognition. Your contacts will see the number they already know. Just make sure your existing provider and plan support the features you need, like caller ID and voice calling from the app. It's also smart to confirm how outbound charges are handled, since fees may still apply through your carrier. If your goal is continuity and familiarity with your customers, this is typically the fastest path. Buy a phone number when you want a fresh line that's fully managed inside GoHighlevel. You can usually choose a local number for a neighborhood presence or a toll-free number for a national feel. Local numbers can help boost answer rates in certain markets, while toll-free can feel more corporate. Take a moment to review the monthly cost and any per-minute rates before you confirm. If you plan to text from the same number later, make sure you follow any registration and compliance notes presented during setup. Even if you don't have a number attached right now, opening the voice calling page lets you see the dialer layout and get comfortable with the workflow. Once your number is active, you'll simply search for a contact or type a number, press call, and you're off. A few quick tips before you dial. Allow microphone access in your browser, so your audio works on the first try. Use a wired headset for clearer sound, and ensure you have a stable internet connection. If options don't appear right away, refresh the page or sign out and back in. That's it. Click voice calling, choose to use your existing number or buy a new one, and you're ready to place your first call in GoHighlevel.